Hello viewers, a very warm welcome to all of you in today's episode of Youth Folio, our weekly magazine series which takes you on a visual trip across the 8 amazingly beautiful states of the Northeast. Winter is an amazing time to be in the Northeast with many festivals, both religious and cultural, taking place everywhere. We bring you glimpses of some of these in our first section and lots more. Government holds tripartite peace talks with Alpha. Lotha Nagas celebrate Toku Imong festival. Buddhists hold Kathin Chibor Danotsav in Tripura. Craftspersons of the Northeast make huge sales in India International Trade Fair. Gymnast Deepa Karmakar posted as sports officer in Tripura. Unity Walk held in Guwahati. The central government and state government of Assam held a round of tripartite peace talks with members of Pro-Talk United Liberation Front of Assam or ALFA on the 24th of November in the Ministry of Home Affairs, North Block, New Delhi. The meeting was headed by Home Secretary Shri Rajiv Mehrishi, interlocutor for peace talks with ALFA, Shri P.C. Haldar, and senior officials of Ministry of Home Affairs and State Government of Assam were present in the meeting. The ALFA team was headed by their chairman, Arabindo Rajkhoa. After the meeting, ALFA leaders expressed gratitude to the government for bringing back ALFA General Secretary Anup Chetia from Bangladesh and said in the meeting they had requested for Chetia to join the peace talks.
We today request for the inclusion of our General Secretary Mr. Anup Chetia in future talks. We have offered our appreciation to the government of Assam, to the government of India for bringing him in accordance with our grievance that we have demanding from the very beginning. And second, we have stated that today we have not discussed anything political because our General Secretary is not present.
The ALFA leaders disclosed that the next round of meeting is scheduled to be held in December. Meanwhile, the government is hopeful for early solution to the talks.
उल्फा के साथ बातचीत चल रहा है। हम उम्मीद रखते हैं कि बातचीत का समापन जल्दी होगा और नतीजा अच्छा होगा।
सर, अनूप चेतिया को लेकर आप क्या संभावना जताते हैं कि आने वाले समय में अनूप चेतिया भी शांति प्रक्रिया को ज्वाइन करेंगे?
वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहे हैं, इंक्वायरी चल रहे हैं। वो जब पूछताछ का और बातचीत का प्रक्रिया जब पूरा होगा तो पता चलेगा। अभी तो हमारा एजेंसीज लोग काम कर रहे हैं।
The Lotha Nagas celebrated one of their most important festivals, Toku Imong, recently with much joy and festivity. Toku Imong is celebrated after the paddy is collected and marks the end of the agricultural year. It is time for the Lothas to sing and dance. To rest and symbolically for the living and the dead to separate.
This Toku Imong is celebrated at the end of the year after collection of all the paddy from the field, all the paddy produced from the field, after they are brought and kept in the house. After that, we celebrate. It's a sign that we are closing the agricultural year. It's a time of happiness, rest. It's a time for reconciliation.
The Lotha Union of Chumukdima, Nagaland organized many songs and dances for celebration of the event, which drew large participation.
Never alone. never alone. I'll be in every beat of your heart when you face the unknown. Wherever you fly, this isn't goodbye. My love will follow you, stay with you, baby, you're never alone.
Mr. Liremo Lotha, Commissioner of Police Dimapur, was chief guest. Women danced, showing pounding of paddy, which drew loud cheers. People prayed together for better future and progress. Buddhists of Tripura celebrated their 39th annual Kothin Chibordhan Utsav recently with great devotion and prayers for world peace, as also with special mass for France terror victims. Candles and incense sticks were lit at the famous Buddhist monastery at Agartala's Venuban Bihar, and thousands of devotees congregated together on the occasion. Kothin Chibordhan, which literally means offering for the difficult monk robe, is an annual religious festival during which Buddhist devotees donate different daily use items to monks, including money, cloth robes woven in their own loom, quilts, books, and even milk powders and water bottles. Devotees are never forced. They donate according to their capacity. The 2-day-long festival includes sermons and prayers by monks and encourages harmony and the spirit of sharing and caring.
This is an occasion where the people of different communities and cultures, following the teachings of the Buddha, they come together once in a year and they get together and make this dana or the donation or charity, which is considered to be the highest of all kind of donations or charity.
हमारे यहाँ पर सब भाईचारे के मिल है बहुत यहाँ पर इसके अलावा भी यहाँ पर और दूसरा कम्युनिटी का पीपल भी आदमी भी इधर आता है हर पुण्यार्थी के लिए आते हैं इधर और यहाँ पर हम बहुत अपने आप में बहुत भाईचारा यह है और ये हम अपने डेवलपमेंट के लिए करते हैं और ये शांति के लिए विश्व शांति के लिए करते हैं ये पूजा हम.
The 35th India International Trade Fair held in Delhi's Pragati Maidan from the 14th to the 27th of November drew in lakhs of visitors and accorded plentiful opportunities for sale and future business for entrepreneurs, both on individual and wholesale basis. Entrepreneurs from various states of the Northeast who sold their products from state-specific pavilions were ecstatic with the response they got from Delhi buyers. Governor's Award winner from Tripura, Sibani Bishwas, for instance, sold her framed pictures of Ganesha, flowers and other decoratives, dry flowers, cane bangles, etc. profitably.
यहाँ के मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा और नेक्स्ट साल इस टाइम फर्स्ट आया हूँ मैं, लेकिन बहुत रेस्पॉन्स मिला यहाँ पे मेरा काम का और मैं सामने अगले साल और भी ज़्यादा सामान लेके आना चाहती हूँ. यहाँ गवर्नमेंट को मैंने बोल दिया, त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट को, जो मेरे को और अगले साल के लिए यहाँ पे और भी एक चांस देने के लिए.
Other than her, the Tripura Pavilion included many other stalls selling a wide range of cane furnitures, mulberry silks and utility items. In the Meghalaya stall, buyers made a beeline for famous honey, bows and arrows, pickles and other forest items apart from cane products. While in Nagaland and Manipur, shawls, jackets and other woolen items were a rage. With Delhi's harsh winters, these items safeguard the wearers while at the same time are colorful to look at. In the Assam Pavilion, one met many lady entrepreneurs selling jams, pickles, squashes, sauces, etc. National Award winner Monomoti Kakoti Burman is one such enterprising lady who has been on the job since the past 19 years. She said that she started with a meager capital of Rs 3,000 and armed with just a week-long training she received from the state's Department of Agriculture. Monomoti and her next stallholder, Dalimi Chaudhary Deka, emphatically said that Assam and the Northeast does not lack livelihood earning opportunities, but one has to have the will to earn.
असम में बहुत सारा अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ एंड लेडीज़ है, तो मेरे उन लोगों के लिए ये मैसेज है, कमी का कम कभी नहीं है, करने का मन का कमी है। इसलिए उन लोगों ने जो गवर्नमेंट ने सुविधा दिए हैं उसमें ध्यान देना चाहिए, तब शांति भी रहेगा और खुशहाल भी रहेगा उन लोगों ने।
Jharna Medhi is another national award winner who got chance in the trade fair. She has started a range of non-vegetarian pickles apart from Assam specialities like bamboo pickle, king chili pickle, ginger pickle, etc. Like Monomoti and Dalimi, Jharna's services too are often sought by various departments of the state government, which offers free training in food processing and other vocational crafts in the Northeast.
এতিয়া মই মানে ট্ৰেইনিঙো দিছোঁ, তেনেকুৱা মই বেলেগকো মই মানে এনকাৰেজ কৰিছোঁ এই ফুড প্ৰচেছিঙৰ ওপৰতে। মই এই ফুড প্ৰচেছিং কৰিয়ে IITFত মই 94-95ৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট মই কৰিয়ে আছোঁ, ইয়াতে কণ্টিনিউ মই এক্সিবিশ্যন কৰি আছোঁ দিল্লী প্ৰগতি ময়দানতে। গতিকে বিভিন্ন জেগাত মই ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ বিভিন্ন জেগাত মই ইয়াৰ মানে এক্সিবিশ্যনবিলাক মই কৰি আছোঁ, বম্বেটো কৰিছোঁ, কলকাতাতো কৰিছোঁ, এনেকৈ কৰি থাকোঁ মই। ইয়াৰ বাহিৰেও মানে ধৰক মই এই IITFখন কৰি পেলাই চবতকৈ বেছি মই ভাল পাওঁ। বহুত জেগাতে মই মানে এক্সিবিশ্যন কৰিছোঁ, কিন্তু এইখন মই বেছি ভাল পাওঁ। আৰু অসম পেভিলিয়নতো মই কৰিছোঁ, নেটফিট কৰিছোঁ, NSICত কৰিছোঁ, DRDত কৰিছোঁ। গতিকে গোটেইখিনিতে মানে মই কৰি আছোঁ আৰু মই বহুত সুখী এইটো লৈ পেলাই, মানে মই বহুত ভাল পাওঁ। আৰু এই উদ্যোগটোৰ জৰিয়তে মানে মই নেশ্যনেল এৱাৰ্ড পাইছোঁ, তাৰপিছত নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ বেষ্ট ওমেন এণ্টাৰপ্ৰিনাৰ, অসমৰ কৰ্মনিপুণ বঁটা পাইছোঁ মই, এগৰাকী মহিলাৰ ভিতৰত মই পাইছোঁ, আৰু বিষ্ণুজ্যোতি এৱাৰ্ডো মই পাইছোঁ।